Hi everyone. Before starting today's session, if this is the first time to visit our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates about computer science related courses. In this video, we are going to discuss about a Python program that is used to convert a list and a tuple to arrays type. Before discuss the actual code, let me tell you about a very important function in this context, that is array function. Array is a predefined function that is used to convert a list or tuple or any other array-like structures into array type. And this is a predefined function that is available in the library called Numpy. So you can call it with help of the library name or alias name of the library name. In this slide, you can observe that np is a alias name of the Numpy. I will show you the code later on, but you must remember that the function array is available in the Numpy library. Numpy stands for numerical Python, that is used to work with arrays efficiently. Second point, after converting any argument given to this array function into array type, those are stored internally in the form of nd-array, where nd-array means n-dimensional array. The data type of that converted array is n-dimensional array type. With help of this code, we are going to convert a list to array type. Okay. Then first step is we need to import required library, that is Numpy, as we covered just now. In that Numpy library, we have the array function. With help of that, we can convert list to array type. And here I am writing as np. If you want to give any short name or alias name to the library, you can use as keyword, as np. After this statement, in place of the Numpy, you can use np simply. Then after that, first we need to create a list. To create a list, we use square brackets and data elements separated with comma. My list is list variable name or list object name. Assignment, this is my list. If you want to know more details about list tuple dictionary, we have a separate playlist in our channel with the name Python Programming. You can go through it. We discussed so many examples related to list, tuple, dictionary, strings, and so on. Then with the help of the seventh statement, we created a list. After creating that, just simply I want to print the created list. For that I am writing eighth statement. Print list elements are, then the list variable name, my list. So the list elements will be displayed with the help of the eighth statement. After that, I want to convert this list into array type. For that, we use array function that is available in Numpy. So we must use Numpy here, but already we have declared alias name for the Numpy is np in the fourth statement. So you can use np here, np.array, and parameter is our list name, my list. Then this list is converted into array. After converting into array, I want to store in the variable my array. Okay. Now before printing that my array element, I want to check whether that list is converted into a type or not. For that, I am using type predefined function that returns what is the data type of this my array variable. Okay, if it returns nd-array, just now we covered na n-dimensional array, then we can conclude that the data type of my array is array type. This is array. So successfully converted into array. After that, I want to print the elements of that array. Array elements are and my array variable name. Let me execute it. See the output. List elements are and a list of the elements will be displayed. This is the output for this eighth statement. Next, type of my array. See now, class numpy.nd-array. Nothing but my array is converted into array type successfully. So this is the output for this 13th statement. So type function returns nd-array. My array is a array type. So this list is successfully converted into array type. Next, array elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after converting that, with help of the 14th statement, we are printing that array elements. Clear, I hope. Let us discuss second case, that is how to convert a tuple to array type. Same thing, just we create here tuple. In the previous case, we create list. Step 1, importing the library and creating the tuple. For creating the tuple, we use parenthesis. To create the list, we use square bracket, right? So this is a creation of tuple, 7th statement, and the tuple object name or variable name is my underscore tuple. With help of the 8th statement, just I want to print that tuple elements. First tuple elements will be displayed. After that, I want to convert it into array type. See, np.array and pass the argument to name, your tuple object name, my tuple. So that will be converted into array, and I am storing that in my underscore array type. Same thing, I want to know the data type of the my array, and after that I want to print the elements. Just run it. See, my tuple elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After that, type of my array is numpy.array. So tuple is converted successfully into array type. After that, I am printing array elements. Clear, I hope. If you want to know basics about print, list, tuple, you can go for the separate theoretical plus example programs playlist, Python programming, in our channel. Let me tell you some more important points about this conversion. If you want to convert a list to array type, that is valid, we can convert it directly. We can convert one list into array type, and we have seen already we can convert a tuple to array type also. But if you want to convert set to array, you cannot convert into array type directly. First we need to convert into the list. Remember this point. And if you want to convert any dictionary, by default only keys will be converted into the array elements. If you want to convert values also, we can do that, but by default keys are extracted. If you want to convert a string to array type, that will be converted as array of characters. Now one more important point, why we need to convert first a tuple to list type before converting into the array. Sets are unordered list. Set doesn't maintain any order for the elements. If you convert directly a set into array type, that array might have unexpected order. You may not expect that order. That's why if you convert that set into list first, list maintain one order. That's why you know the order. After that, you can convert into the array. You can expect the order of the elements of array also. If this video is useful to you, do subscribe our channel, like the videos and share the videos. Thank you.